Hey guys, so if you have the error, the FTD error on your GE dishwasher, I was looking on how we can possibly fix the issue. Now, like someone asked here on Reddit and someone wrote here, the pressure sensor on these machines are known to get clogged, clean it out and you should be good to go. And he just linked this video from the repairclinic.com GE dishwasher pressure sensor replacement. And you want to look what they are doing because just people wrote here that thanks, man. I said mission fix now. So go by this video when you're gonna write it. The GE dishwasher pressure sensor replacement, and it should possibly fix the issue. So R was clogged and clean it. Let us start the wash cycle, but error halfway. Once we replace the pressure sensor entirely, it worked like new. So the pressure sensor is going to be the thing. And you want to go by this pressure sensor. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.